Hi guys, we are here at the South Beach. We are gonna go spend the night here for 2 nights. We're here for vacation for the whole weekend with friends, and we do this annually. So we're gonna go do this today, guys. We're gonna get together. We're gonna go tomorrow. We're gonna have Italian for dinner. We're gonna go do a wine tasting. We're gonna go downtown, go for a walk, whatever what we can do here. We go to the beach, and I'm gonna show you guys the house vacation that we are in, and I'll give you guys a tour. I'll see you guys later. Bye. All right guys, so we are here. We just made it here at the South Beach on our vacation house, and I'm gonna show you guys what we have and give you guys a tour. They're very pretty. So there's the house. There's the road coming in. Right, there's the house. You're gonna go inside. Oh, hi.
Welcome to the house. This is our house for this weekend.
For this weekend.
Enjoy your view.
Yes.
Yes. I think I want to buy this.
Look at this, guys. This is just beautiful. There's a fireplace. Yes. Look at the view.
Do you think
Beautiful.
across from here? I think there's a path.
Yeah, there's the road right there.
Yeah, right there.
That's the one we're talking about.
Oh, and look at these.
Look at this. So we have a door to go outside.
Where's the hot tub?
Hot tub is
Oh,
downstairs.
downstairs. Yeah.
Look at this, guys.
You can have coffee here in the morning.
Yes, we can have a coffee here. It's just beautiful. We did a good job of getting this place. And look at down there. Beautiful. Wow. There's a lot to go through.
The property ends right there.
Probably. And there's the kitchen. We already brought some groceries. We stopped by in the store and got some groceries. Ayan, they have a microwave, refrigerator, they have a coffee maker, they have some utensils in here. Got some pans for cooking. Let's see what we have in here. Some more pans for cooking. Yay. I'm glad that they have everything here that we need. Utensils. Yes, they have coffee pot. Alright. Okay, look at that. Some knives. Some forks and spoons. What we have here. Some plates. Right. We have some cups and wine glasses. We're definitely gonna use a lot of that today and tomorrow. And what we have here, some more coffee stuff, coffee bean, Yum, they got a lot of coffee beans, honey. Coffee beans and oh, I'm gonna use that for pasta. You can definitely use that. And some spices, some flour, some pasta, and some canned foods. And their stove. Nice electric stove. Some and some spices. What we have here, some utensils, pot holders and towels, some baking sheets, pot holders. What we have here, garbage can, some dish soap for cleaning stuff, and the sink. We have a tiny sink in here for washing your hand for smaller kids that they can reach. That's a good idea. We got some blenders in there and some mixer stuff. Some tapes. Beautiful. And then there is the dining room. They have a table, long table. Looks like it's an old antiques. Nice vaulted ceilings. Very cool. Nice view. They have a chessboard. Look at this telephone, guys. Very old. It's really cool. They have some antique stuff in here, some crystals. And look at the iron, guys. Very old iron. Look at this. Cool. Look at this. This is an old stove and range. Awesome. Those are heavy. It's a cast iron. Very, very heavy. And there's a laundry room, washer and dryer. Some stuff up there. And I'm gonna show you guys something here. Okay, a grandfather's clock. Awesome. And we have the entertainment room. Look at, guys, we have Indian displays up there. Awesome. And it's a vaulted ceiling as well. And we have a pool table that we can play. And we have a long chair. Probably 10 people, 15 people can sit on this. There's a big screen TV for entertainment. We have some views. And we have that small table. Beautiful room. Beautiful, beautiful. A lot of space. So this is it. This is what we have. And then we're gonna show you guys gonna show you guys the room. This is the master bedroom here. One of the master bedroom. Master bedroom with vaulted ceiling. And their bathrooms. Shower. Some we need lights in here. Yeah. There's the shower. I like the color. It's gray. Here's the mirror, and then they have a beautiful view up here. And they have a king bed with a big screen TV. It's a walk-in closet. A lot of towels. Some sheets and pillows, hangers. Awesome. So that's the master bedroom, and then there is a bathroom here. Sink, another bathroom. Look at this phone, guys. It's really old. Really old phone. And then this one is for get your blade sharp. Sharpening. Oh, look at that one, guys. For shaver. That's really old. some old pictures. Oh, that's look funny. That used to be people take a bath before. Old cabinets there. Cool. Okay, we're gonna go downstairs. We're gonna go downstairs and look at the rooms. So this is one of the first bedroom here. They have toys and crayons for smaller kids and mats to play with for smaller kids. They have some toys, puzzles, Legos, and puzzles, more puzzles. And there's an extra bed for smaller kids and a queen bed with a flat screen TV. They have their dresser in here. What do we have here? They get some extra blankets and comforters for people that need more blankets. Awesome. There's more more pillows. Nice. Extra blankets, and this one here is their door to get out. It won't even open. So there's a queen bed. That's the second bedroom, and this is the third bedroom. They have some books. What is this in here? Oh, they got some blankets in there. I don't know if you guys can see, it's really dark. Some blankets and pillows. There's a rhino, there's a chair, sofa. This is a sofa sleeper. Another chair. They do have a lot of room on this one. It's really big. It has a lot of books on there as well. I don't know if this one can be open yet. That's some kind of apparatus for the hot tub, and that's a king bed. Gonna turn on the lights. Wow, I like their lamp. There's a meter, water or electric meter in there, and there's a stove, and there's a big flat screen TV, and it's a fully carpeted floor. They have extra room in here. Now you can see the mirror. Beautiful. Cool. It's an old racket. Chris Evert. I'm not sure if that's a player, Chris Evert, that owns this. Really cool. So that's the second bedroom. Third bedroom actually. Then let's go to the fourth bedroom. They have their telephone here. They have their temperature in here. And this is Justin and Eileen's room. It's also a king bed. They have their own bathroom as well. Really cool. And shower. Nice. Really cool. Really good. They have some stuff in there, shampoo, soap, toilet paper. So really good. So they have a big space in here. Some old cabinets as well, antiques. King bed, wicker chairs, right? And they got screen TV as well. And a walk-in closet. Got some towels, blankets and stuff in here. Bath towels. Really cool. And then we're gonna go to the last room, which is also my room and Jackie's room. There is a shower. It's kind of dark, doesn't it? But it's really nice. There's a toilet and there's a shower. Really cool.
Nothing's changed. We're the same.
And there's a
Small talk, 'cause you
some
know,
towels,
yeah, you know me.
some hangers.
Nobody else.
There's extra bed in here. Ooh, good to know because we get some people coming. Last minute decision, they want to come over and spend time with us. So it's good thing we have extra bed in here. So there's a fireplace in our room. Look at that, guys. It's a fully carpeted floor, and it's a king bed size bed for me and Jackie. So yes, guys, it's really nice. Very nice. And I can hear some people upstairs already. So it sounds like we have some people that just came in. Really nice. And let's go outside. There's another door here. And we have a hot tub. Look at the hot tub, guys. We have chairs. We have some extra chairs. Look at the yard. It's just really nice out here. Really nice. Oh, hi. How are you? Good to see you guys' room in here. So nice. Alright. Really nice, guys. So this is where we're gonna spend time the hot tub tonight. Really cool. No, you made it! Yeah, that's your room. Oh no, that's Aaron. This is you guys' room.
This one here.
Hi.
Hi. This is you guys.
This is the bedroom?
Yes.
Are you joking?
This is your room. I know. Yes.
Thank you.
And this is a blessed hide bed. It's a hide bed.
This is the bedroom?
Yes.
Living room included.
Look at
Yeah.
our house.
Yeah. How are
Gosh, I'm nice. Thank you, Les.
you? You're welcome. No, it means last can stay in here also.
Let's not go home. Let's just stay here.
I know, just live here, huh?